Ready to turn your TikTok fame into real Jamaican dollars? Let's dive into withdrawing your earnings. First things first, fire up your TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, in the top right corner and give that a tap. A menu will pop up, and you're going to select balance. This is where you can view your earnings and initiate the withdrawal process. Okay, on the balance screen, you should see your current earnings. Tap on the withdraw button, usually located near your balance. Now, TikTok will present you with available withdrawal methods in Jamaica. PayPal is your most likely option, but keep an eye out for direct bank transfer options. If available, select your preferred method. If you choose PayPal, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. If you selected direct bank transfer, you'll need to carefully enter your bank details, including your account number and branch information. Double-check everything. After linking your payment method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. TikTok will usually show you the estimated processing time and any applicable fees. Confirm all the details. Important, remember that your TikTok earnings are taxable income in Jamaica. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. And that's it. Now you can go enjoy your money.